Hi guys. I know this is a new channel. My name is Veni Valencia, and I know this is a new channel, so you make sure to subscribe and comment down below what else you want us to cut through. And our channel is going to be named. What is it called?
Veni Frijol.
Veni Frijol. And if you want to check my channel out, I will leave the description down below. And this is called Dragon Fruit, and we are going to be cutting it and tasting it. And I'll describe it down below. Make sure you look at the link down below. And I'm going to describe it. It's like pinkish oranges. It looks like a fire, and it's kind of squishy. And these are green things, and it looks like a dragon fruit. So my mom's gonna cut it. Oh, that looks good. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see the critter. Oh, it's white. It's white. It's white. Oh, that looks so good. So this is my first time taking a bite. So, want to take a bite? Mom, he's so brave. He is so brave. He's trying it.
What does it look like inside?
It has like, look, it has like these edible seeds, and it's white. Here, my brother is so brave. Is it good? That's good. That's good.
What does it taste like?
Is
it sweet? Is it sour?
Doesn't have like a little taste. It's just good.
So what would you rate it? Is it something you would recommend to your friends?
Oh, my friend recommend it to my friends.
Is it sweet? Is it sour?
I just told you, it's like sweetish, sourish. It's like a little bit of sweet, and then there's no more taste. Here. No. Don't play with it. Oh, this is so good. You should try it. This is my first time trying it. So good. Tastes like those little round things. I forgot what they're called. There's little round
kiwi?
Yellow things. No. It looks like kiwi, but it doesn't taste like kiwi.
I want red one.
Oh yeah, it tastes like kiwi a little.
Mom, I want red one. Mom, I want red.
Make sure you thumbs up the video. And make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get all notifications.